Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeViz, your number one learning platform for all things tech related. So for this video, let me first announce to everybody congratulations on completing the CSS course. Thank you so much for going through this journey with us. We appreciate you guys, and again congratulations to you guys who steadfastly watched and practiced along with us. We have come to the end of the CSS course, but we'll still be posting how-to videos on our platform, so still stay tuned for that. It is time to give you all a project to test your skills. We want to know how far you guys have come. We want to know what you've learned here, and that is the purpose of this video. I'm going to show you a simple template that you're going to design, and if you do design it, we at CodeViz intend on rewarding our viewers to appreciate you guys for coming so far with us, and also to show to motivate you guys to carry on. We are going to give you our official CodeViz certificate. Yes, now this certificate is completely free. You are not going to pay for it whatsoever. If anybody tells you to pay for it, they are lying. They are not from CodeViz at all. Here at CodeViz, we are not going to collect a dime for you for the certificate. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Oh, and before I forget, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you'll be updated whenever we post a new video. Also, please follow us on our social media platforms so that you can keep up with our tech trends and other topics, as well as our community platforms so that you can interact with other people just like you who are on their way, who are starting out in their tech journey or are already in their tech journey, in a certain point in their tech journey. Without further ado, let's carry on with the video. Alright, so as you already know, this was the website or the web page. Let me use the web page in particular. This was the web page we designed using strictly HTML and CSS. It has the header, the navigation bar, the banner, the about us section, the parallax, the services section, and the other services section are included, as well as the contact section and then the footer. This was a very simple web page we did using CSS, and we also made it responsive, if you guys remember clearly. Yes, we made the website responsive, high to display when it is viewed on another device. We did that, and we got, this is not the screen size I use, hold on, yeah, this. Alright, so now it is time for you guys to show us what you've learned. Okay, it is time for you guys to show us what you've learned here at CodeViz. So let's carry on. So what we are going to do is we're going to show you a simple HTML template that you can design with HTML and CSS, a simple web template that you can design with HTML and CSS. Then to get our certificate, all you have to do is send your project to us. Don't send the link, no, send it to our email. What we mean is when you're done designing the project, compress it into a zip file and email it to us at codevizhub@gmail.com. Once again, our email is codevizhub@gmail.com. The email will also be included in the description of this video, so you can go there and simply copy it. When you send the project to us via mail, we at CodeViz will analyze your project and grade it. We'll make corrections and let you know about it. Then if you pass, we send you the certificate via your email as well. Again, we are not collecting a dime for this. We're not collecting a cent. It is completely free. Alright. So to get the project you're going to do, all you have to do is open a new tab, head to templatemo.com, and it will bring you to this lovely site right here, templatemo.com. Now scroll down and click on this first template. This first one is okay, we don't need more. Alright, you can also, now this website is not owned by us here at CodeViz. We are simply using their templates to teach you guys. Also, we are not going to, the template is something you can also buy or get for free if you need it for a project or if you just want to practice. There are several web page templates here that you can just view and practice for your own sake, or use it as an inspiration or as an idea when building your own web page. But for this particular project you guys are about to do, all you have to do is click on this first template here, Villa Agency. Click on it. Alright, then scroll down. Here you can see the image of the website. So if you know you want to practice offline, you can simply right click on this and save the image if you want, or you can go down here and click on live view. So with the live view, you can see the web page clearly. You can see the page header with these other social media icons here. Now if you guys remember correctly, I showed you guys in our previous video, we showed you guys how to include icons, that is this font awesome icons, to your web page using in our previous video we showed you guys how to include icons like this to your web page using font awesome. So you are going to do the same thing, and you can see it's also included in the buttons here. So if you don't know it, you can go back and watch our previous videos in order to catch up and get this done. So you can see the web page has the header section, followed by what? The navigation bar, the navigation section, followed by the banner. Now this banner here has a slider, but we don't need the slider. You guys don't need to do the slider. You can ignore the slider for now. Okay, just give us this banner. You can use a video or an image for your banner, for your web page banner. That is fine by us. If you scroll down more, you will come down to these features here. You can see this section here. You have to do something like this. Come down here, you see more of this. So you can see this lovely template here. It is nothing too complex. Everything here is what we've done so far. This button here, there's nothing too advanced about this little icon in this button here. You can get it using font awesome. It's all there. Scroll down more, and you can see this page also has this effect, but you can ignore this particular effect here. You can ignore these transitions here. Simply do the first one, and that is fine. Okay, this one is done with JavaScript, so let's not make things too complicated for you guys yet. So scroll down, and you can also see this simple part here. You can do this with grid. Once you design one column, simply copy and paste it for the rest, then edit what you need to edit, and that is all. It is not hard. There's nothing here that is hard. You guys have done all this before in our previous videos. Then if you scroll down, you can see our get in touch section, get in touch, the contact section, with the form in one side and an image in one side, which is not too far off from what we did in our CSS practical, as well as these two little info boxes right here. Then we have the page footer right here, and that is all. A very simple web template that you can use to practice. Again, this web template is free on this site called templatemo.com. You don't need to pay for this thing as well. Okay, and that's why we're using it for you guys. Again, we do not own this site. We're simply using it to show you guys the free that you can do, and we also want to extend our thanks to templatemo.com for allowing us to use their site. Alright, with that, we've come to the end of this video. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, so that you'll be updated whenever we post a new video. Also, please follow us on our social media platforms, and you can also join our community platforms as well, so you can interact with people just like you who are starting out in their tech journey, or you can also interact with those who have already gone a far distance in their tech journey and you need their help. Once again, to get our code-based certificates, complete the project, compress it to a zip file, and send it to us via email. Our email address is codebasehub@gmail.com. Alright, with that, when we analyze your project and view it properly, we will then issue our code-based certificate to you guys. And I almost forgot, here is our code-based certificate. This is what it looks like. Okay, I had to block out some of this part here to avoid plagiarism and all that, but this is our code-based certificate. You're going to get this. Okay, we'll put your name, we'll tell you what you've learned so far. The certificate is for web fundamentals. For completing HTML and CSS, you're giving you a certificate for web fundamentals. The purpose of this certificate is to motivate you to carry on and to celebrate those that have come this far. Alright, and with that, we've come to the end of this video. For our next course, we are going to start Bootstrap, so stay tuned for that. You're going to learn everything that there is to know about Bootstrap, which is a CSS framework. Okay, again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on our social media platforms, and we'll see you guys in the next video. The deadline for our project is going to be next week Monday. That is the week after this Monday. Alright, but it's not really a deadline. You can submit whenever you're done with it. Even if you're done with it later on, we will still give you the certificate. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.